speak from the heart.
Hi,
This is my That's it. Okay.
Hi,
what's your name?
Jayaraj.
And where you from in Malaysia?
Setapak there.
Oh, how do you feel today?
How did I?
Huh?
How did I get here?
How do you feel today?
I feel good.
You feel good?
Weather is good. Company is good.
Why are you here today? Bersih.
Now. No problem.
What's your hope for Malaysia in the future?
Maybe we're going to go back a little bit to go forward.
Go forward. You wish?
We have to go back a little bit, say about 10 years, and then we go forward again.
Okay.
I think we are on the wrong track.
Wrong track.
We need to correct it, go back 10 years.
How do you think that we can achieve that, like as an individual?
Change education,
Education,
change leadership training.
leadership training.
We don't have enough leaders. We don't have leaders to manage the country, to manage the economy.
So education, very important.
Education
Yes.
is the key. Then we are behind. We need to get there.
Okay.
So go back, learn a little bit past education, then go forward. That's what I said. Go back a little and go
Go
forward.
forward. Okay.
Run fast in the wrong direction.
Step by step.
Yeah, step by step or whichever way, but definitely you need to change direction. Go back to your point, a bit back. Because there are some good things we did before.
Yeah.
But if we change direction from where we are, then we carry some British stuff along the new path too,
Okay. Thank you.
All right.